Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Jojo
And this is Shruts.
and we are going to Raval and Bharg's new song now.
It was so much fun
So excited.
watching them chat with you and like listening to the whole interview. It was so amazing to get an actual insight on how they made the album and then how basically how you spoke to them. No, I literally felt like I was experiencing the entire album again. And after it
And
finished,
now?
I actually,
Yeah.
with all that new input, I then went and heard the entire album again. It was
Same.
wonderful. It was really
Same,
nice. Thank you.
same.
Thank you
And
for that amazing interview.
Thank them. And they really went deep into like discussing each song ka BTS, which I was just so excited to hear. And I didn't want to edit any of that out of the interview. I wanted it to just be there because this album, whenever people come to it, they'll hopefully come back to this interview to see what went into the making of it and all of that.
It totally gave you that BTS feel entirely. So if that was your intention for going into it, 100% well done. The whole thing came off really well. Yeah.
Thank you guys for indulging me and my questions. And now this is the song they talked about in the interview that is coming on 17 September, which happened to be Raval's birthday. So belated happy birthday. Sure, you had a great one. So it's with Karan Kanchan. They were very excited about it. They're like, from Gully Gang, our song's coming from Gully Gang. So it's big, it's big.
Yeah.
And it's called Houdini. I saw the teaser they put on Insta, and I was just immediately intrigued. Like, whoa, this looks serious.
It looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah. So without further ado, one sec. Let me just quickly see the track. Houdini, artist Karan Kanchan, Raval Bharg. Lyrics are Raval. Composed by Karan Kanchan, Raval and Bharg. Produced by Karan Kanchan and Bharg. Mixed and mastered by Hanish Taneja. Ooh, okay. Artwork Parikshit Singh. Label Gully Gang Records. Let's go. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Chalo.
Yes, ready.
1, 2, 3, play.
Yeah, Karan Kanchan.
Oh, Bart cooked another one.
अब हो गई तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली यो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी जादू बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मुई नहीं गिरगिट बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चुभी नहीं चुप है अब होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मुई नहीं बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चुभी नहीं होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मुई नहीं बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चुभी नहीं जो भी फेंक देते पत्थर मेरे घर पे उससे खड़ा किया है मैंने खिला मैं हूँ माइक्रोफोन खेला वही लोग आज आके बोले रावल पुरानी बातें तू रहन देना क्यों मैं रहन दूं साले क्यों मैं रहन दूं क्योंकि तू है रैंक टू बड़वे तू है कैन डू मुझे बोला थैंक यू 2 के 17 जिन्हें लगा हो गया है मेरा काम तमाम मार के चूपे फ्लिप 180 करते मुझे आज प्रणाम और सुना कैसा चल रही तेरी कितनी पार्टी कितने छोटे फूके तूने लाइनें कितनी काटी मैं नहीं काटता लाइनें जो मन में आता वो लिखता सोल बजट से बाहर करोड़ों में नहीं बिकता गोल मारू रफ्तार से एक जगह नहीं टिकता एक कंधे पे यमराज दूसरे पे फरिश्ता तुम बार भी रैपर खेले ड्रेस स्टाइलिस्ट के साथ जैसे गाड़ी कर दी पेंट लेट माइलेज झांट अब होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मुई नहीं बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चुभी नहीं होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मुई नहीं बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चुभी नहीं ले ले 36 का आंकड़ा पढ़ेंगे 36 फिर ओवर में इनके गाने सब गोबर है इनके गले पे चोकर है इनके गैंग में सब जोकर है आधे रैपर नहीं मॉडल है इनके एक नहीं पर 2 गले फिर भी हक दे ये वोकल है क्योंकि लौंडे ये 2 गले मेरे पास मन मंडराइयो पैसा लगा के भी तू होता फ्लॉप बधाइयो हमें इंडिपेंडेंट ऑर्गेनिक लेवल का हाथ नहीं सर पे लौंडे हम जंगली जकड़ ले एल्बम बना दिए घर पे रूम में छोटे अंगूरी चूम ले, हम आर्टिस्ट नहीं तेरा डूम्सडे, पे शर्ट पे मेरी खून के, हम खुले आसमान में घूमते, पप्पू पकड़ के झूम ले, टार्जन मेरे लिए तू जैसे चार कम, हमें नहीं मिलता है प्यार कम, दिल्ली या बॉम्बे या झारखंड, रावल के पास नहीं बार कम, तू है जीप तेरे चार स्तन, कर्म के साथ तू बिकार गन, हौसले की डोरी घिसी पर कभी भी टूटी नहीं, तालियां सबके लिए पेश है बस टूटी नहीं। होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली, ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी, बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मोही नहीं, बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चूही नहीं। होगी तेरी टोन चेंज सुरीली, ईगो ट्रिप जैसे गायब जैसे हुडीनी, बदलते अपने रंग में लगता मोही नहीं, बातें चौदे पीठ पीछे सामने चूही नहीं।
Yeah. We're BTS. Hilarious.
Like, जो मिल रहा है उठा के भाग लो. Like, performance के बाद Bharg was literally dragging the mic also off the whole set and just taking it along with him. Okay, that's a completely don't change हो गई Surili. What happened here?
Oh my God.
That hook. Usually it's the whole song and the beat that gives me like the
Goosebumps.
chances. And यहाँ पे तो it's the hook. Like hands down, head down, everything down, the hook. Hook just like completely made the song for me. I could just go on repeating that like constantly and just like humming along and just enjoying it. Very different feel and vibe, no? Like the entire vibe has changed to such a
But
rock mixing with like
I
mosh
expected
pit.
nothing
Mosh pit
less.
गाना है.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
expected nothing less, especially after talking to them. I'm just like, they're just gonna surprise her at every turn. Like, you know,
Yeah,
it's
consider us surprised, 100%.
but the surprise is that I mean, we're not even surprised that we're surprised, you know. that is the thing. And oh my God, it was such a like. But you know, like as they said in the interview, they've just had so many musical influences growing up. It is showing, and it's showing in every track after track that we hear from them.
Correct.
This one is
Correct.
just in its own league of, you know, hip hop, rock, metal, of that, you know, that very yeah, like you said, mosh pit vibes, and like complete is just it's a song that you want to you know, when you're you headbang to, and you know, when they're what's that there, when you're demolishing a building, and then you can go and you can break everything inside. This
Yeah,
is that
yeah.
song where like I want to demolish a room to this song.
Yeah.
You know?
Called something, right? Like what rooms?
Yeah.
Skin rooms? No, whatever. Like
I don't know. They have these demolishing rooms.
yeah.
People just go and break things. So this is the song for
Correct.
that kind of room.
yes,
Yeah?
completely.
Oh,
But
loved it.
very nice. You know, like the whole thing they're talking about it also. Okay, up suddenly the whole thing has changed. Like, you know, आवाज बदल गई Surili. And the way they keep changing the आवाज, it's mind blowing. Like
It's
how
so
with every
good.
feel,
Yeah.
right, with every different song, their way of singing, their way of dealing with the whole thing, it changes. But it kept pushing me to now know who were they talking about.
So
Because it seems personal. It can't be that they're just talking about generally haters or generally public or like, you know, competitors. ये थोड़ा personal मामला लग रहा है. ये किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
I think this is generally a competitive hip hop kind of song. Like they're just saying, okay, all you people who thought you know, I was done and I was out, and now, you know, now you can see what I'm capable of doing, what we are capable of doing. We're out with an album, which is a crazy good body of work. You know, now it's like this to me is a lalkar song. It's just a general lalkar to anyone out there who underestimates us or has underestimated us in the past. And it's
But
like
the lyrics, they got pretty specific though. Huh? In the lyrics,
You
there
think?
were certain
I
themes.
don't know. I don't think.
In the certain times, certain words that they were mentioning, it almost seemed personal. Like they've
Oh,
generalized the whole thing, but
let
it's
me
like,
open the
over
lyrics.
time, हाँ, कि कुछ जैसे, किसी ने कुछ ऐसे ही कह दिया जो आपको बात अटक गई, and then while writing or penning your next song, you're kind of just putting that in because, so maybe that person didn't mean it for you, but आपको चुभी बात, तो आपने वो डाल दी, तो थोड़ा personal angle आ रहा है. I think
Yeah.
it's like you're saying that it's a lalkar mixing with certain, picking the specific words that have been directed towards them and giving an answer back to that and saying, we're ready now, come.
Yeah.
Mil zara, bahar mil tera, akhade mein mil. Like,
But
it's one of those, like, bahar aa.
I mean, first of all, the music, Karan Kanchan Bharg, hats off. It's brilliant. I want to just like thank you for blessing us with this sound. We didn't know we needed it, but we did. It's so good. Oh my God. And then coming to Raval's verses, he's just like we know he can go really hard on a beat, but he's killed this beat. And it's such a difficult beat to kill. It's so freaking good. And his presence on camera is so strong. Like I felt like the videos we saw from Sab Chahiye, there's 3, I think in total. You could see that he's comfortable in front of the camera. But in this video, he's freaking owned it.
Owning it. Yeah, I agree. Yes.
The eye contact, the delivery, the entire, like the physical sort of presence in the frames, the attitude.
And the absolute comfort level. 100% comfort level. That there's a camera, but you're not shying away from expressing who you are on it. Or you're not.
It's not easy to do. Yeah. Oh my God, it's totally coming across. And of course, the bars, man. The bars in the verses. Oh, okay, we're gonna go through it quickly.
Yes. And then I love the flow changes also, like how they already right in the beginning kind of gave you something, took it back and gave you something else entirely. So you got used to it, and then 3/4 song down again they flipped it.
Yeah,
and I was like, nice, very nice. Go for
especially when they ended the music, how the music kind of went up a notch with the last, the hook at the end, with the entire stage setting and the guitar and the thing,
Correct.
the whole band look of it. It was just brilliantly done. We'll get to the video, but verse 1, जो भी फेंकते थे पत्थर मेरे घर पर, उससे खड़ा किया है मैंने किला, मैं हूँ माइक्रोफोन किला. I love that. The killer. वो ही लोग आज आके बोले रावल पुरानी बातें तू रहने देना, पर क्यों मैं रहने दूं? क्यों मैं रहने दूं?
I loved it. क्यों रहने दूं?
क्योंकि तू है रैंक 2. तू है, तू है. मुझे बोल अब थैंक यू. 2 के 17 जिन्हें लगा हो गया है मेरा काम तमाम, मार गए ये चूपे फ्लिप 180 चुपे ओके करते मुझे आज प्रणाम, और सुना कैसी चल रही तेरी किट्टी पार्टी. This I love this one. There's a lot of wordplay here. और सुना कैसी चल रही है तेरी किट्टी पार्टी, कितने जोते फूके तूने, लाइनें कितनी काटी. JOTTE, how do you pronounce this? I don't know this word. मैं नहीं काटता लाइनें, जो मन में आता वो लिखता. This is like, I love this line. It's got double entendres and all that awesomeness. Soul budget se bahar, करोड़ों में नहीं बिकता. I love this line also. Soul budget se bahar, करोड़ों में नहीं बिकता. गोल मारू रफ्तार से एक जगह नहीं टिकता. एक कंधे पे यमराज, दूसरे पे फरिश्ता, तुम बाबी रैपर खेल रहे ड्रेस स्टाइलिस्ट के साथ, जैसे गाड़ी कर दी पेंट लिट, मिलेगे और माइलेज है.
And at that point, they were pushing the गाड़ी in the video. They were like, गाड़ी रुक जाती है, उसको धक्का लगा रहे थे.
So I love the video because it was doing a lot of justice to each line in the way they pictured it, and even the kitty party, even the
realistic way. Yet in a very realistic way. Like there was no, ek hota hai na, wo you're setting a scene up so that you can enact it out. This was like real life, say, drawing parallels, but like, fitting it into the song comedy.
Yeah, which is why I was like, we have to talk about the video separately. Okay, verse 2, ले ले 36 का आंकड़ा, पढ़ेंगे 36 फिर ओवर में, UV and Yuvraj, UV 36. इनके गाने सब गोबर है, इनके गले पे चोकर है, इनके गैंग में सब जोकर है, आधे रैपर नहीं मॉडल है. मॉडल, I love that. MODAL. इनके एक नहीं पर दो गले, फिर भी हुए वोकल है, क्योंकि लौंडे ये 2 गले, मेरे पास मत मंडराइयो. I love this wordplay that's happening here. पैसा लगा के भी तू होता फ्लॉप, बधाई हो. पैसा लगा के भी तू होता फ्लॉप, बधाई हो.
So Zaki, I love it.
हमें इंडिपेंडेंट ऑर्गेनिक लेबल का हाथ नहीं सर पे, लौंडे हम जंगली झगड़ ले, एल्बम बना दिए घर पे रूम में, छोटे अंगूठी तू चूम ले, हम आर्टिस्ट नहीं तेरा डूम्सडे, धब्बे शर्ट पे मेरी खून के, हम खुले आसमां में घूमते, पकड़ के झूम ले. ओके, टार्जन मेरे लिए तू जैसे चार कम, हमें नहीं मिलता है प्यार कम, दिल्ली या बॉम्बे या झारखंड, रावल के पास नहीं बार कम, तू है अजीब तेरे चार गरम कचरा तू बेकार गंद, हौसले की डोरी घिसी पर कभी भी टूटी नहीं, तालियां सबके लिए पेश है प्रस्तुति नहीं. Mic drop. And then the hook. Damn, the flows, the bars, the everything. Raval, man. Raval Bharg, Karan Kanchan, you've just, oh, this is a treat. And
They've
coming
genuinely
to
killed it in this song.
genuinely killed it. Audio, oh my God, the video. It deserves a special. 1 second. Who has made the video? Let me just quickly check here. Glitch, directed by Glitch. Damn. Conceptualized by Glitch, Raval, Karan Kanchar, and Panini Pandey. Oh, nice. Props to everyone involved with this video because damn, every line has been done justice to. You know?
Yes.
Every time the hook has come, they've done justice to it in a different setting. Every line and every like scene that needed to be enacted has been thought of and executed so well. The entire
And yet
feel.
not over the top. Like yet,
Yeah.
like there's no, like we were discussing earlier, there's not much acting involved. It's like, हाँ मतलब हमारी real life से हम दिखा रहे हैं, and yet it's been showcased really nicely.
Yeah.
So it's that they're walking that midway line beautifully, very
Yeah.
nicely done.
Yeah, I loved it. It's just like this is let's do full justice to the song. Let's not just have a camera and let's not just vibe in front of the camera on different sets. Let's do full justice to each bar and each line, you know?
Correct.
Loved it. Freaking loved it. I'm gonna listen to this on loop like you, I don't know how many times. Just
Iska hook mind blowing है. Like the verses are really good, but the hook is
the hook is
extremely
freaking
like
so
extremely
good.
Yeah.
Oh, just such a pleasure. My day is made. Okay, lovely.
You know, for a
Thanks.
change,
Mm.
like usually I get very bored if the hook is repeated too many times. In this, although the hook got repeated so many times, I enjoyed it every time it came on.
I
You know,
agree.
there was like
I would have
that
liked it
doesn't
to
happen very
go
often.
on at least 2 more times. I feel
Ah.
it could have gone on because I could have just stayed in that zone for a bit. I loved it.
I like.
So, chalo, and the ad libs also. Git, Jadoo. Correct. So funny. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much, Gully Gang, Raval and Bharg, Karan Kanchan, everyone involved. We love this track. Please send more of these our way. And check out Miss Bola's website. It's linked below. All her amazing audio work is on there. And hit all these buttons, support the channel, and share this song with everyone you know. It deserves to be shared. Chalo. Take care. Live long and prosper.
Bye.